today we got a Chinese dish, or well, really an Anglo dish, but we call it Chinese because it's going to have Chinese ingredients. Okay, called chicken ding dong ding. Now, kids love that name, and the ding dong ding comes from, of course, 3 bell peppers. Get it? Bell peppers. Ding dong ding. Okay, so we've got some chicken breasts here that we'll cut up and all and make it edible sizes. You know, we've got sea salt, olive oil, a lime to squeeze in there, some garlic. This is ginger, powdered ginger. I've got a little basil, sweetens it up a little bit. I got a regular yellow onion. I got some brown rice. Got some soy sauce. And this, toasted sesame oil, that gives it a lot of the flavor. Between the toasted sesame oil and the ginger, that's really where your Asian style flavor comes from, okay? And then, of course, plenty of garlic. I think I already said that. I just love the garlic. So, what I'm going to do is start cooking this brown rice now. I'm not going to tell you how to cook brown rice. You should know how to do that. Throw it in the water with a little salt. Boil it up until it all boils down. Use good water, okay? Use good water. So, let's get started on that, okay? All right, our rice is on. It's starting to cook. Some people have asked where I was getting these really cool bowls. These are real cool handmade pottery. Setsko makes these. And you can see, look at that. Look at the beautiful glaze. Look at that shape. All handmade, you know, beautiful colors too. I love the colors to this particular one. It's one of my favorite bowls. And see that lip is so cool for cracking eggs. It really works good. It just comes out a little bit, gives it a beautiful flair design-wise, and it's also real practical for the eggs. It just splits them real nice. You have good success with it. So here's another one, another beautiful bowl of hers. Look at the handle sides, you know, the grips, like that. Isn't that beautiful? There it is. Can you see that? I probably need the light on that one. Should zoom into that. Let's go. See if, I don't know if it's... Anyway, that's Setsko. She made this also. This beautiful jug that I use it for keeping oats. But you can keep anything in it, I guess. But look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That's beautiful. You can see some of her work on MJS Sight and Sound. If you scroll down from where you're watching now, you'll see some of her stuff. It's really neat. Okay, so check that out. Also, one more thing. People wanted to know about how much do I use? How much in the spices and herbs? You know, well, that's a very personal thing. You know, some people like a lot more garlic than other people. I like a lot of garlic. If I told you how much garlic I put in, you may not like that. So you just have to determine your own way. You know, just take it from the soul. You know, as they say, soul food, but not soul food in the African American sense or Southern sense or whatever it is, but food from the soul. You know, be an artist. Go out there and throw it in there. You know, be daring. Have fun when you cook. That's the fun of cooking, you know. Okay, I'm gonna get started on this, chopping some stuff up. I'm going to whisk this off with a shot of vodka. I'm going to put some vodka in here. But for God's sake, if you ever do this, don't ever do it over the stove. Okay? You'll blow yourself to kingdom come. You'll blow up your whole damn neighborhood. So don't do it that way. Take it over to the sink. Okay? Let it settle for just a minute. A few seconds anyway. Then, pour your vodka in. Don't be anywhere near a flame. Okay? There we go. The vodka's in there. And you see that? It's bubbling out now. It's just going to leave a little flavor. Okay? And remember, you may see these people on TV doing this with their fancy thing. Remember, they're professional chefs, and they've got all the fire suppression systems above them. And they do it every day for a living. So you see the big flames that come from some of those? So don't do it, okay? Do it over the sink. And don't do it immediately. Wait for it, about 15, 20 seconds, and then toss it in, if you're going to do it at all, okay? Alright, the vegetables have been cooking a bit. I'm going to take some of this brown sugar. Mix that right in there. Then I'm going to take the meats, all the chicken, and I'll throw it right back on there with the sauces. Okay, let it cook a little bit. Lower it down to about 2. Wait for it to go. All meld together. It'll be a beautiful thing. Alright, the final step is thickening the sauce. Look at that little bit of cornstarch, right? Bring up the heat on high. Let it start bubbling. Pour that cornstarch in. See it start thickening? See that? Now toss everything in it. See the coating we're getting? Getting a real gravy now. See that? Are you getting that? See how nice and thick that's coming out now, though? Coating everything. Okay? Done. Let's set it up. There it is. Chicken ding dong ding. You serve that over rice, it's a beautiful thing. Okay? By the way, my sister-in-law coined that phrase, chicken ding dong ding. So we say it all the time. And like I say, kids love it because of the name of it. When you teach them these are bell peppers and all that, they have a lot of fun with it. So you get them to eat if they're difficult eaters. And they eat a lot of the vegetables, especially because it has a little brown sugar in it. Okay? You know they're going to go for it then because they're going to taste it and say, ooh, this is good. Okay. Thanks. See you next time.